How to make money with Clickbank without a website as a beginner. Hey everyone, I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how others are using Clickbank to make anywhere from $100 to $300 per day without owning a website. If you would like to learn how they are doing this, be sure to watch this entire video as I'll be showing you examples of how they are doing it and also how you can start making money with Clickbank as a beginner without creating a website. As you can see right here, I'm currently on Clickbank, but let me show you quickly two examples of what I'm talking about. As you can see here, I'm currently on Instagram, and the Instagram page that I'll be showing you for this example is Highest Dimension. And as you can see right here, this page is about self-help. And if I should tap on their Linktree link right here, on which they are using to make money, and go to their Linktree link, you can see right here, they offer a numerology report, and they also offer some other things that you can tap on that they are collecting affiliate money from. But if I should tap on their numerology report, it will lead me to this page, which is a Clickbank offer. As you can see here, your free numerology reading. Once you have entered your email address and your name, you will be on their email listing and you will be offered some Clickbank offers. And again, if I should go into TikTok, and I've went onto this motivational quote pages, and as you can see, all they are doing is simply reposting motivational quotes from other TikTok page or Instagram pages. And if I should tap on their Linktree link also, you can see right here, not only are they offering CPA links, this one right here, but they are also offering Clickbank links. So again, if we should go into Clickbank, you can simply scroll down in the left hand corner right where you see categories, and you could select self-help, and after selecting self-help, you could select motivational and transformational right here. And from here you can select any one of these products that have a good gravity on them. I would recommend, for example, this one right here. And for each sale, you can see that you'll be getting $27. And what you're going to be doing, you can choose the platform that you would like to create content for. Whether that is Instagram or you're planning to do TikTok like this. If you're planning to do Instagram like this, there are two ways you can do this. You can choose to post the same content like this person, and then in your description you would put @ and put the person's username, so you would give them credit for their content. Or you could go on a page, for example, like pixels.com, on which you can get royalty-free images, and you can simply download the image. Then you can do a quick Google search of motivational quotes, and you could combine both image and quote on a free website by the name of Canva. You will simply go onto canva.com, and you can select Instagram posts and use a template on Canva to create your Instagram posts. And you would set up your Instagram page just like this one right here, and you would put your Linktree link in the description. And again, to sign up to Linktree is completely free. And if you don't want to use Linktree, there are other platforms similar to Linktree that you can sign up to for completely free. But when you are doing this, I would recommend that just like these pages, you offer more than one options. So whenever someone taps on your Linktree link, they will have more than one offer to choose from. So you are more than likely that they will choose one of your affiliate programs and you will make a sale. You can do the same thing when it comes to TikTok. You could create a motivational page on which you post daily quotes. As you can see right here, this person is using videos from other accounts on TikTok or Instagram, And all you'll have to do is add your Linktree link in the description again. And once someone taps on your Linktree link, they will have access to your Clickbank offer, and you will more than likely make an affiliate sale. Hope you found this video helpful and motivating on how to make money on Clickbank as a beginner without a website. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as I release daily videos on how to make money online.